Ever get that sinking feeling when you check your bank account and realize you have less money than you thought? You're not alone. In today's digital world, it's easier than ever to lose track of where your hard-earned cash is going. Subscriptions sneak in, free trials turn into paid memberships, and hidden fees can chip away at your savings without you even noticing. That's where Rocket Money comes in. But before we dive into how to set it up, let's talk about what it actually does. Think of Rocket Money as your financial superhero. It's an app that helps you take control of your finances by tracking your spending, identifying unnecessary subscriptions, and even helping you cancel them with a tap. Plus, it can keep an eye out for suspicious activity and potential fraud attempts. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. So, if you're ready to take charge of your finances and finally break free from the cycle of hidden fees and forgotten subscriptions, then keep on watching because we're about to show you exactly how to set up Rocket Money and get it working for you. Setting up Rocket Money, a step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll need to download the Rocket Money app. It's available for free on both iOS and Android devices. Once you've downloaded and opened the app, you'll be greeted by a welcome screen. Here, you can either choose to create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Creating your account. For new users, creating an account is a breeze. You'll simply need to enter your email address, create a secure password, and choose a few preferences about your financial situation. Don't worry, this information is all kept confidential and secure. Once you've completed this step, you might be prompted to verify your phone number. This is a simple process that just involves entering a code that will be sent to your phone via text message. Connecting your accounts. Now comes the key part, connecting your bank accounts and credit cards to Rocket Money. This allows the app to access your spending data and get a clear picture of your financial situation. Don't worry, Rocket Money uses secure encryption technology to keep your login credentials safe. Here's how it works. Look for the option to add an account within the app. You'll then be prompted to select the type of account you want to connect, such as a checking account, savings account, or credit card. Choose the financial institution where your account is held from the list provided. Rocket Money will then securely redirect you to your bank's login page. Enter your usual login credentials for that specific account. Important note, while connecting your accounts is crucial for Rocket Money to function effectively, it's important to double-check that you're entering your information on a legitimate website. Never enter your login details on any page that doesn't look familiar or feels suspicious. Finding hidden fees and unwanted subscriptions. Once you've connected your accounts, Rocket Money will get to work. It will analyze your past transactions and identify potential areas where you might be losing money. This could include forgotten subscriptions, hidden fees, or even duplicate charges. The app will then present this information in a clear and easy-to-understand format. You'll see a breakdown of your spending categories, along with a list of any suspicious or recurring charges. This is where Rocket Money truly shines, as it helps you uncover those sneaky subscriptions you might have forgotten about and those hidden fees that can drain your bank account. Taking control, canceling unwanted subscriptions. Now that you've identified unnecessary subscriptions, Rocket Money empowers you to take action. With just a tap or two within the app, you can initiate the cancellation process for those unwanted memberships. Rocket Money even provides helpful guides and resources to ensure a smooth cancellation experience. Bonus features, budgeting and savings goals. While tackling hidden fees and subscriptions is a major win, Rocket Money offers more than just that. The app also includes helpful budgeting tools that allow you to set spending goals and track your progress. Additionally, you can connect your Rocket Money account to certain savings platforms, making it easier to set aside money for future needs and emergencies. Security and peace of mind. Finally, it's important to mention that Rocket Money takes security seriously. They employ industry-standard encryption technology to safeguard your financial information. Additionally, Rocket Money offers features like account monitoring and fraud alerts to give you peace of mind knowing your finances are protected. Conclusion: take charge of your finances today. By setting up Rocket Money and taking advantage of its features, you can gain control of your finances and stop